In this episode we are visiting 4 Cornish coastal locations: Mevagissey, Charlestown, St. Ives and Flushing. Starting at Mevagissey.
So it's a two-way road?
This is a two-way road.
So if we have a car coming to us, we need to stop somewhere, I
like
guess.
This, yes.
Like this, I see. Right.
It's not windscreen wipers, the indicator.
I know this is not your car.
It is at the moment. Driving in Mevagissey requires patience, skill, a certain calmness, and above all tact. Speed is to be avoided at all costs. It's not just cars. You need to watch out for pedestrians as well. Every corner in Mevagissey is a challenge. Two-way roads, then one-way streets, and stopped cars. Plus, you need to be alert for parking spaces. Miss them and you'll have to drive all the way around again. We didn't have a problem, but I bet these are at a premium in the summer. In a sheltered corner there is a Christmas tree and a decorated telephone kiosk.
Wow, what a beautiful idea. I think you can hold the door instead of in front of the... Yes, thank you. Nice.
The peaceful inner harbour. And as we move beyond this wall here to the other side, the weather changes. And this is the outer harbour. You can see the occasional burst of water crashing against the rocks, such as here. And you can probably hear the wind. Because of the treacherous storms, this is known as the Wrecking Coast, and for those over 18, also available in bottles. Charlestown. Charlestown is another beautiful port, but without the steep narrow roads. Also with some Christmas decorations. Dorothy's posing for photos, but I'm more interested in the harbour and the sea. Crashing waves in the ocean, but all calm in the harbour. No fishing boats, just some pleasure cruisers and yachts moored for the winter. And a festive stall serving hot chocolate.
Pardon? Yes, please. Thanks very much.
And the happy driver gets a sugar boost or bomb with Cornish trimmings and a free wooden spoon. St. Ives, recently famous as the host destination for the G7 summit. Beautiful on a day like today, catching the last rays of the winter sun. The RNLI, Royal National Lifeboat Institution, has a high-profile base on the seafront. St. Ives brings back memories for me. As a small kid, I holidayed at Mermaid Cottage, and it's still here. For dinner, it's obviously fish and chips and a Cornish cream tea. But is it cream on the jam or jam on the cream? In Cornwall, it's important to get it right. Our final location is Flushing for a coastal walk on a very windy day. It's so cold, we're in full winter gear. The locals manage in bathroom slippers. Windy today. A robin redbreast has a sheltered spot to pose for photos. Not looking for shelter is a wing foiler, bare feet on the stony shore, cold and windy sea, then great skill to get going. I'm genuinely impressed, and I leave you with the knowledge that I'm also a little envious.